What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin today. So looking at the Dogecoin chart, we can see that we are still inside of this consolidation. We're still in the same wedge, but it looks like we're on the lower end of that spectrum. So it could possibly mean that we're about to go into a downtrend. But honestly, I don't believe that we're going to go into a downtrend for too long. It's going to actually come up on a rise here. But anyways, let's talk about why, and let's talk about what we have here for Dogecoin. So we have a lot of different things to talk about with Dogecoin. First thing, $30 billion market cap. Good, I guess, because we've been here for the last month or whatever. But anyway, 1 billion in the last 24 hour trading value, $1 billion. So yeah, that's a lot of money in the last 24 hours, but it's not as much as we need to be at right now. But anyways, we still have Dogecoin whales that are coming in and buying a large amount of Dogecoin. This Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, bought huge Dogecoin, but then sold out with Dogecoin. So they're really making profits here. A lot of them are day trading. A lot of them are doing their little swing trades, and a lot of money's going in and out of Dogecoin left and right. So that is something big that's been happening recently. So anyways, let's go and actually get to what we have for today, our actual news, right? So super bullish predictions. So actually people out there who actually do technical analysis professionally, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor at all. So whatever these guys say, that's what they say. I'm not a financial advisor, but they're predicting that Dogecoin is going to skyrocket 58%, right? So 58%. Now that's a huge jump right there, especially where we're at with not having too many people being so big on Dogecoin, because remember, Dogecoin has been, not doing as many gains as all these other altcoins have been doing recently. All the altcoins have been doing a lot more than Dogecoin. Anyway, it's just the probability of a layman knowing Dogecoin is higher than that of him knowing Ethereum, BSC, or Cardano. Such is the mass population or popularity of Dogecoin, right? The hype gets rekindled every now and then. So they're saying that the hype is about to be rekindled for Dogecoin. So that's what they're saying. Let's read why though. They said 480% uptrend in trading volume. So according to Black Arabia, the meme crypto is the 6th most traded cryptocurrency with a monthly trading volume of approximately $253 billion. Dogecoin is actually not at $253 billion trading volume. I guess maybe for over there for them it was, but it's not over here. So that is definitely going to be something that we're going to have to rethink here with Dogecoin. Anyways, let's go over the next thing with Dogecoin. Dogecoin's massive year-to-date growth. So Dogecoin is literally one of the top cryptos when we look at year-to-date. And honestly, 14,000%, 10,000%, that is a lot of percent right there. And Dogecoin is one of the only things that have done something like that. 8,800% now, but we had way more. It was at 267,000% from the all-time low. That's where we're at with Dogecoin. Like, for anyone to say Dogecoin doesn't have potential, that's just stupid. Like, Dogecoin has so much potential. Just 287,000%. That's a lot of money right there. Anyway, Doge to surge 58%. Because this critical resistance that they're saying that we breached at 26 cents. They're saying if we breach this 26 cents resistance, we're going to beat this whole downtrend, this whole boom, this bear market really. But honestly, 26 cents resistance is going to be very hard to beat. We're at 23 cents right now, and we've been trading downwards on this consolidation period. So it's going to be really hard to actually achieve this. So honestly, it's something that you should probably hold off on thinking 58% in a while. Now I'm giving their little article here some light here, but I guess you could all make your own decision whether or not Dogecoin is going to do 58% soon. But soon, I'm not sure. Obviously, in the long run, we're going to do way more than that. But like soon, as in this month, it's going to be really hard. Elon Musk is going to have to do something, and he's going to have to do some more tweets that aren't baby Dogecoin related. It has to be real Dogecoin related for it to happen. But yeah, it quite possibly could happen anyway. But look at this. Robinhood revealed it made $30 million from clients trading Dogecoin in the first quarter, and that amount likely skyrocketed ahead of the company's IPO. So yes, they made more money than they thought they were coming into this IPO, meaning if Dogecoin doesn't continue to make the same amount of money, their IPO is not going to release very well. Like, it's going to go down, and they're going to lose a lot of money. So it is in their best interest that they pump Dogecoin. It's in their best interest that Dogecoin ends up going up to the moon. It's in their best interest that people actually buy Dogecoin and talk about Dogecoin a lot on social media and everything. So yeah, it's in their best interest to do this. So that's why I've been saying this a lot. I said this in a lot of previous videos. Robinhood is going to do something to make sure Dogecoin is looked at heavily, make sure Dogecoin on Robinhood specifically. So whether or not they actually decide to roll out with the wallets anyway, even though they said they weren't, anything can happen at this point. But honestly, Robinhood needs to step it up, and something's going to happen eventually with Dogecoin and Robinhood. Like, something has to happen. If the CEO is smart at all, he will make something happen. He'll do some kind of Dogecoin trend, maybe some kind of Dogecoin sponsorship, make some kind of Dogecoin thing go popular on social media. So that is exactly what Dogecoin needs, right? And remember, the overall cryptocurrency market is affecting Dogecoin. There's still FUD, there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside of crypto, and not just Dogecoin, right? So let's go over that. That's the main thing, right? So, Israeli president to receive oath as NFT at inauguration. Like, this is getting crazy now. The literal president of Israel is now getting an oath as an NFT. So this is showing us crypto is the future. Literally, the president of Israel getting an NFT oath. Like, this is crazy right now. He might as well get some Dogecoin too. So this is crazy right here. So this is just not necessarily irrelevant, but it's definitely big for cryptocurrency that this is happening, because just think about it. El Salvador now has it as a illegal tender. We're getting Paraguay coming with the whole Bitcoin scene, and eventually every single country is going to accept it into their culture eventually. And anyway, 40% of young British say their first investment was in crypto. 45% of all young British people say their first investment was in crypto. That's huge right there. And half of them are using debt to fuel the boom. And actually, I did that. I took out a little $5,000 loan, put $700 in, ended up shooting up to like $25,000 because I got in right at the beginning. And then, everything went down. And I sold some of it, sold some of the profits, and then kept some. But anyways, that's how it goes. Like, you can literally take a debt, like a whole personal loan, and then flip it. I would not recommend that. I'm not a financial advisor. I would not say that. Never do that. That is not the smartest thing to do. You're going to lose it in a second. But, some people get lucky with it, like how I did. And hopefully, if you do it, you get lucky. But don't do that. That is very bad. But anyways, let's go on to the next thing. So UFC sells branding rights to fighters' uniforms, and they partner with crypto.com. Crypto.com has Dogecoin on it, so this is good for Dogecoin. And now you're about to see crypto.com on logos inside the octagon for UFC, and probably on the fighters' shorts and stuff like that. So good news for crypto there, crypto overall. And also, Visa is partnering with over 50 crypto companies to allow clients to spend and convert digital currencies. 50 different crypto companies. That's huge right there. And Dogecoin is definitely going to be one of those cryptos that are going to be used for payments on Visa. So very good news there. We have very good news all over the place, except inside of the actual Dogecoin space, because we really need Elon Musk to get back on the Twitter wave. That was the main thing that was sending us to the moon, honestly. Elon Musk talking about Twitter, and people just waiting for Elon Musk to tweet something. Like, till it got to the point where people would literally just sit there, stare at it. I know I stared at the screen waiting for him to tweet, and he would finally tweet, and I'm like, yes. And then it just goes up to the moon, and this happens so many times. But honestly, I hope it starts happening again, because we really need Elon Musk back with Dogecoin, or else Dogecoin is probably going to suffer a little bit. But anyways, we can still prevail without Elon Musk, and he'll still make tweets every now and then. He's just indirectly directing Dogecoin, right? He's not directly saying Dogecoin to the moon now. He's just putting, little subliminal messages about Dogecoin. But anyway, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.